RJ45 TDR cable test. Caution: the maximum DC withstand voltage of the tester's Ethernet port is 60 volts DC. Test cable status, length, and attenuation. The max test length is 180 meters. Length measurement. Connect one end of the network cable to the tester's LAN port, leave the other end unconnected to any device. Note: to test the reflectivity and impedance of a network cable, it is necessary to connect it to a working 100 megabit or 1000 megabit network device. For testing skew, connection to a working 1000 meters network device is required. State description. Support report creation. Support unit switch.